We are participants of an exchange with Sweden. Here we tell you our experience.
What did you learn from the Swedish students?
I was surprised that they drank a lot of coffee.
They start school when they are 7, not 6.
What was your experience like?
At first, it was a bit difficult to get together with them, but finally we get along very well and we already miss them.
What things did you like?
I love that they were so excited to try and do new things.
They were really friendly.
Another thing that we liked was the Swedish music and the fact that Spotify is from Sweden.
What are the things that have surprised you the most?
I was surprised that they never wear tracksuits.
The thing that surprised me the most was that they have a meal called leika, that they eat some biscuits, a coffee or tea.
A funny thing was that they wore a t-shirt when it was so cold.
I was surprised about their meals because they eat very early compared to our meal time.
We miss you. See you soon.